What's up guys? Dave the Phone Guy back with another video. This time I have the Sony WF-XB700s. Sony needs to come up with a better naming structure. Anyways, you know what I'm gonna do? Mic test, audio test, unbox it. Not necessarily in that order. So let's get things started. Now. All right guys, so let's see here. So these headsets, their main thing is extra bass. That's what they're about. They're supposed to produce massive bass. So we're gonna see. Also, it says you get 9 hours of playback time. That's big. Quick charge, so 10 minutes of charge will give you an additional 60 minutes of play. They are IPX4 rated, hands-free calling with HD voice. Also has voice assistant functions, USB Type-C. All right, so let's get this box open. All right. Interesting packaging. I don't understand why. What's up with that foam there? You see the face? So let's see, the case. Whoa, that's kind of big, a little big. Here's the Amazfit case. For a size comparison, you could see that the Sony case is definitely quite large. All right, we got the two earbuds. Whoa, these things are big. Be right back. So just to show you for size comparison also, these are the Google Pixel buds, and side by side, you could see how much larger they are. Let's see what else is in the box, guys. You have in here your USB-A to C, several different size ear tips, and your manual and get started guide. So let's see how we get these paired up. This is the right one, this is the left one. All right, the top of the case, and I don't know if the camera is gonna pick this up, it's actually see-through, it's a little translucent. Withstands the lid test, which is a plus, solid. The actual case itself feels a little cheap though, just there's no special coating on it, there's nothing. You have your USB charging input right here. So let's see how easy it is to pair. Let's open them up, get into Bluetooth, settings, see what is available. There's no button on the case here, so I'm hoping that the phone is just gonna pick it up by opening the lid. Let's see, not seeing anything. All right guys, there it is. WF-XB. How do they look? They feel big. Definitely passive noise cancellation. It's put a very good seal. I can definitely tell a huge difference from when I have the Pixel buds in to these. I have a really strong seal in my ears. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into YouTube Music Top 100 and see what's going on here. Let's see how they sound. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here comes the bass. Whoa, heavy bass. Might be the bass kings right here. Highs are crisp, mids are nice. And that bass, woo! Punchy, man, punchy. I like it. Wow. These sound good. Wow. Okay, let me contain myself. I was vibrating from within. All right, let's see if they withstand the head shake test. You ready? They didn't go anywhere, they're still there. That's a plus, that's good. All right, so now we're gonna do the mic test, and I forgot to grab my phone for the mic test, play the ambient audio. I'll be right back. All right, so let me open up my voice recording app now. All right, let's see what we got. This is the sound of my voice with the new Sony WF-XB700. How does it sound? Is my voice clear and crisp? Let me know in the comments below. All right, now we're gonna introduce that ambient noise I love so much. All right, guys, this is now the sound of my voice with the Sony, what are these things called? WF-XB700 with ambient noise playing in the background
What do you think? How are they withstanding that noise? Are you able to still hear my voice clearly, or is it breaking up with the noise going in the background? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Everything down below in the comments. Let's do that.
So, these are pretty comfortable. The cool thing is, unlike with the Google Pixel Buds, there's that thorn, which is always poking. It's not terrible, and you start to notice it after a little bit of time, but it's not awful. These have nothing. They're just held in by a couple of points on the Bluetooth headset, and it feels actually really comfortable, guys. Really comfortable. I like that. They sound good. They feel good. Hopefully that mic test sounds just as good. Yeah. That's it. That's the show today. That's what I got. You guys got anything for me? What do you want to see next? Leave that in the comments too. If you liked the video in any way, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.